so now that we're in our kitchen area, I'm lucky where I just my horses. It used to be a vet, so it's quite decked out with all the bench spacing and whatnot, so I don't have to do this at home. This is my no-bake horse birthday cake recipe that I do. Each to their own. There's so many different ways everyone can do their cakes, but for me, all I have is a scoop of pony pellets and then a bit of loosened chaff, because that's the chaff that I feed my guys. And then I have sugar cubes because they like sugar cubes. Licorice because Teddy absolutely loves licorice, my beautiful black horse. Bread because that's Oscar's favourite treat of all. And then, of course, carrots. We can't forget the carrots. And then you need a bucket to mix the chaff and the pony pellets in. Alright, so first off, I'm going to put my pony pellets in here. And then I'm going to go to the tap and put some water in it to help moisten this and have these pellets swell out, just to make it easier for making and moulding the cake. Alright, so you just put enough water just so the pellets are up to here, and you just put a little bit just to go up above the pony pellets so they're really well soaked. So I'll let that sit for a second, and I'm going to grate some carrots to make the main effect for because I'm going to make little horse cakes today in this video, so they're going to be moulded into a little horse shape. So I'm going to use the long carrot grated bits to be the main. And now that I have peeled the carrots and the whatnot with the grater, or the potato peeler, you just need one of them. I'm just going to cut up the carrots now. Alright, so there we have it. Now our carrots are peeled and cut up, ready to go. We are prepped. We've got our bread, licorice, sugar cubes, carrots, and the pony pellets are now soaked and all ready to go, with now adding the loosened chaff. Mix that in. Now we get dirty. Gotta get our hands in there, mix it about. So make sure it's all thoroughly mixed through. Alright, she's done, all mixed through, and now I'm just going to scoop it out onto my tray. Push that over. Now I'm going to mould it. I'm going to try a horse. I'm not the most artistic person, but I'm going to give it a go. Cake, woohoo! Oh, I'm so excited. I love doing little things like this for my horses. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab a little bit of carrot for the eye, an eye effect, and now I'm just going to grab some carrot and lay it where the mane would be. Carrot mane or in a forelock. Alright, so there we have it. We have my no-bake horse cake. So it could easily be done on a budget. You just use your horse feed that you've already got. Grab some carrots out of the fridge that you already have. Grab the bread that's going mouldy in the kitchen. And these, like, you can get these for like $2 at the cheapest, like, like Aldi in town. I grabbed them from there, and then these under $5 I think. I can't remember exactly the price of those, but surely you got a bit of that like lying around the house, and easy to do, whack up together. And then you don't even need a mold. I just press this into shape. I'm not the most artistic person, but hey, I think that's pretty cool. So here we go. This is my no-bake horse cake. Happy horse birthday, woohoo! Alright, so now I'm just going to quickly decorate it with some licorice and then some sugar cubes. I'll put the sugar cubes around the points, spread it out for the horses to eat. And then that can be the nose. Or we can make a bridle out of the licorice. So now I'm going to grab some bread and add it to it. This one that I'm making now, this is for Oscar, my little pony. He absolutely loves bread. Alright, and there we have it. I have finished my no-bake horse cake. I decided to put the bread all around the cake for Oscar to eat instead of just making it messy. I used the licorice to make a little halter or bridle or whatever, and then the sugar cubes. One can be his nose. There we go, my easy no-bake horse cake. Alright, let's go give this to Oscar.